Hello and welcome to E Prime. I'm Deidre. Nooks off the hook until 2018. Reggae singer George Nooks' cocaine case was rescheduled to March 27 next year, following his appearance before the Kingston and St Andrew Parish Court yesterday. The God is Standing By hitmaker was arrested and charged with possession of cocaine in May of this year and was offered bail. Yesterday, George Nooks had his bail extended to the new trial date. The case has already seen two hearings, May 17 and July 21, with Nooks standing by his account of what took place on May 5. Nooks is being represented by attorney Donahue Martin and Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson. Dancehall artist Massacre shares the story of his rise and spin on dancehall and the genre's importance to Jamaica. Massacre stars in Fader magazine's new documentary, which surrounds his latest single, Energy.
Growing up in the streets of Jamaica, dancehall music are one of the most powerful things. From the root, me, they just love the culture and our dancehall message. They bring across with that energy and a mood.
Massacre continues his journey in the dancehall space, making his rounds locally and internationally. Backing band Live Wire is determined to establish their own identity. The group, which provided music for vocalists at concert appearances, has transitioned to a full-time show band performing music of their own. The group released the single and music video early this year for Like a Rock and is receiving positive feedback and traction for the song. 2018 is shaping up to be a great year for the group, who is preparing for the release of their newest single titled Never Love Again.
Like a rock, and I stood arrow straight like a rock, Trojan for the gates.
On the international scene, Chance the Rapper's philanthropic work continues. The rapper's initiative was strengthened with a $1 million donation from tech giant Google for his social works organization, a non-profit charitable organization that assists youths in his hometown of Chicago. The donation was made to assist children who want to learn coding. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.